Today is April 8th, 2024, day of the total solar eclipse in North America. And I'm on Southwest flight to Indianapolis from Austin International Airport. And to celebrate this event, we were given an amenity bag, which includes, of course, our solar eclipse glasses, Omni and Southwest Airlines, sun chips, haha, a Milky Way, a starburst, a single starburst, Southwest and Omni. Let's see what this is. Oh, cool. It's a luggage tag. That is really neat. That's a fun little gift. I love that. Thank you to Southwest Airlines and Omni Hotels and Resorts for these cool gifts. And they're also having some special cocktails to celebrate or to solarbrate. So that's some of the goodies that we got aboard. Everyone got these little gifts as we boarded.